Current savings pods work by automatically moving small amounts of money into separate savings buckets inside your current account, so your spending money stays separated from your savings goals. By the end, you'll know what savings pods actually do, when they help, and when they can make saving harder instead of easier. Start with what these pods are doing in the background. They are separate savings spaces inside your current account. You can name them for different goals like bills, emergency money, or short-term savings. The money inside each pod is still in current, but it is separated from your main spending balance. Now, explain how money actually gets into them. You can move money manually into a pod at any time. Some users also set up automatic transfers so small amounts move into savings without thinking about it. This helps people who struggle to save consistently because it removes the decision step. Now, explain the main benefit. The biggest advantage is separation. When money is split into pods, it is less likely to get spent accidentally from your main balance. That makes budgeting easier for people who usually mix spending and saving in one account. Now explain the downside. If you move too much money into pods, your available spending balance can drop too low. That can lead to declined transactions or overdrafts if you forget what is locked in savings. Now explain when pods actually work well. They work best when you use them for specific goals instead of random saving. For example, keeping rent money separate or setting aside money for upcoming bills. Now explain when they are not helpful. If you do not have stable income or you are living paycheck to paycheck, splitting money into pods can make cash flow harder to manage. In that case, keeping everything in one balance may be easier. Now give a simple setup process. Open the current app.ie. Go to the Savings Pods section. Create a new pod and name it based on your goal. Move money into it manually, or set up automatic transfers if available on your account. Now give a quick decision guide. Use pods if you want structure and struggle to save. Avoid heavy use if you often need every dollar available for daily spending. Quick summary. Savings pods separate your money inside current. They help you save by reducing accidental spending. They can also limit available cash if you overuse them. One practical next step, bot.die. Start with just one savings pod for a single goal, instead of creating multiple pods at once, because it keeps your money easier to track. Like and subscribe for simple breakdowns of banking apps without confusing financial jargon.